Hey guys, Sarah here, coming on today to review this wooden cooking set. It's handmade kitchen utensils. I am super excited for this. Thank you to the company for sending this out to me to check it out and to review it. Super excited. Here's the box. Here's everything that's going to be included. It's a really pretty set, guys. I can't wait to show you. Just one second. All right, the first thing I noticed when I opened the box is they come individually wrapped. How cool is that? You know it's gonna be nice when they're individually wrapped and the name of the company is on the wrapping paper. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these and show you. Guys, look at this. Oh my word, how pretty. 100% teak wood, very sturdy, well made. Handles, there's the hole there if you wanna hang them. I would just put them out on your counter in a little like utensil holder because these are absolutely beautiful. Look at all the different pieces. Salad fork, soup ladle, mixing spoon, pasta spoon, turner, a seasoning spoon, a skimmer spoon, serving spoon, and slotted spatula, and a wok spatula. So look at them, so beautiful. If you need some new wooden utensils, check these out. They're very well made. Safe to use, great to use with your pans that are non-stick so you're not scratching up your pots and pans. But look at this ladle, soup ladle, which I'm super, actually this is a soup ladle, so it's even bigger than the skimmer. So those are the different sizes. But yeah, check these out if you need some nice wooden utensils. This set is great and it's beautiful and you can't go wrong with it.